Hello and welcome back to YakChat. In today's video, we're going to look at how to assign a user to a chat when you're working with shared inboxes. When a new chat is created, it's automatically assigned to the person who started it. But if you need to change that or assign the chat to someone else, there are two simple ways to do it. First, open the chat and head to the top of the screen. You'll see a drop-down showing the current owner. Just click it, choose the user you want, and the ownership will update right away. The second option is from the chat list. Click the three dots next to the conversation. Select Assign to User. Pick who you'd like, and you'll see the avatar update to the new owner. And that's it. Quick and easy. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more YakChat tutorials.